Implementing military engineering protocols, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment, utilizing classified production equipment. Sealing protocols confirmed. Quality assurance hardening successful. Acknowledged.
Operational readiness achieved. Prepare for global deployment.
The integration sequence is stable. All protocols are confirmed green.
Quality assurance verified. The unit is cleared for deployment. Implementing strict military engineering protocols and maintaining classified quality standards ensures operational effectiveness and
Utilizing classified production equipment, we ensure combat-proven reliability, maximizing operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
Target neutralized. All systems green. Operational effectiveness confirmed.
Advanced weapons technology, validating strategic logistics coordination for global military distribution.
implementing strict military engineering protocols, we ensure in weapons integration, maintaining tactical operational.
Switching to hardened system protocols.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now. Looking good.
All systems nominal. We are combat ready.
Receiving confirms shipment integrity.
Copy that. Initiating machining sequence per protocol.
Testing confirms operational parameters are nominal. Ready for deployment.
Our classified production equipment implements military engineering protocols, ensuring every hardened electronic component meets.
Test cycle complete. All systems registering green.
Combat-proven reliability confirmed. Ready for deployment protocols.
Quality control must verify every tactical system before deployment. We cannot compromise on operational effectiveness.
Tactical performance metrics are nominal.
Commencing simulated combat scenario Delta 4.
Acknowledged. Maintaining precision protocols.
This component deviation is minimal, but we need to log it for compliance review.
Agreed. The protocol requires strict adherence to the spec sheet.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military certification protocols to ensure combat readiness.
These protocols ensure integration meets battlefield requirements.
The hardened electronics are now ready for deployment. Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement strict engineering protocols to certify military standard testing, ensuring peak operational effectiveness. We implement strict military engineering protocols to validate operational readiness before deployment. From initial assembly to tactical performance testing, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Our defense manufacturing sequence ensures strict adherence to military certification protocols, guaranteeing combat readiness.
Reviewing the assembly data confirms adherence to protocols.
The green indicators verify full military certification compliance.
Combat simulation complete. The armor integrity held firm.
Confirmed. The Mark V meets all operational specifications.
Tactical systems integration is complete. Quality control protocols are satisfied.
Confirmed. Performance metrics meet operational effectiveness standards for global deployment.
Implementing strict military engineering protocols, we secure tactical superiority and ensure operational effectiveness throughout global deployment.
The hardening sequence on Line 3 is complete.
Good. Prepare for immediate deployment to the Pacific Command.
From classified protocols to global deployment, we maintain strategic precision for operational effectiveness.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement rigorous testing protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment. Defense contractor excellence is maintained, ensuring peak operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
The tamper-evident seals are secure, ready for tactical deployment.
Confirmed. Packaging integrity meets Level 1 specifications.
Check the alignment against Protocol 7B specifications. We need absolute precision here.
Confirmed. Adjusting parameters now.
Initiating tactical performance sequence.
Weapon system responding within parameters.
Certification protocols are validated. We are clear for immediate deployment.
Confirmed. The manufacturing sequence ensured full combat readiness.
Hardened electronics integration, utilizing military specification protocols and strategic manufacturing precision to meet battlefield requirements.
Test complete. Reviewing results now.
All systems green. Operational effectiveness confirmed. This integration sequence must adhere to military protocols.
Confirmed. Finalizing the diagnostic sweep now.
Quality check confirmed on Project Nightingale. All systems nominal.
Stand by for global distribution authorization. Operational effectiveness is green.
Validation sequence initiated.
All green on subsystem diagnostics.
Copy that.
Preparing for full deployment simulation.
Settlements. Utilizing classified production equipment, we optimize military certification protocols. Real-time data ensures From classified quality control to global deployment, we ensure operational effectiveness through rigorous systems integration and engineering protocols.
Strategic manufacturing precision, implementing military engineering protocols. Tactical performance testing in simulated combat scenarios ensures operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
As you can see on the schematic, the integration is seamless.
Excellent. This ensures effectiveness in the field.
From secure production environments to global deployment, we implement military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness. Implementing strict military engineering protocols ensures combat-proven reliability, with a 99-point From secure material processing and strict security verification to advanced engineering and battlefield-tested performance, we ensure
Tactical performance metrics are fluctuating outside parameters. Initiating failsafe protocols.
System functionality is nominal. Quality assurance complete.
Hazmat inspection complete. Ready for final documentation sign-off.
Copy that. All clearances verified in the system.
The convoy is approaching checkpoint Alpha.
confirmed visual. Supply chain integrity holding at 98%.
Alert status updated.
The drone's stealth profile holds up in the urban simulation.
What about electronic countermeasures vulnerability?
This training ensures our personnel maintain the highest defense standards, crucial for exceptional manufacturing throughout classified production.